Okay. Oh, hands are a little greasy here, so there's a screw and there's no C-ring or anything that holds that piston in. It's just, you know, I can stick my finger in there, move it around, but that's a screw. And the only way you can get to that screw is going up underneath the engine with a big, huge screwdriver, which I'm going to try to show you guys if I can get under here. Okay, here we are, up under the engine block. You see that screw back there? You know, I've been trying to get that out with my screwdriver without any luck. Got this big, huge screwdriver here. Oh, it's going out of focus. Sorry, guys. I gotta stick a screwdriver up there and turn that thing, but it's stuck. I can't figure out how to get it out. I've tried PV Blaster, everything. So I can't pull the pistons out because it won't fit. This thing here is too big to get up through the top. So I don't know, lots of weird things here.